Now I am going to find the angle A and 2A. For this, we know that sum of the right angle is 90 degree. So we can say that this total angle is equal to 90, means 2A plus A equal to 90 degree. Thus 3A equal to 90 degree. So we can say that 90 by 3 equal to 30 degree. For this angle A is 30 degree, and this 2A, 2 into 30 equal to 60 degree. 1 number answer is finished. Then the second question is, we know that this sum of straight line from here to here is 180 degree. First of all, we have to understand that the sum of straight angle is 180. So for to find the x, here 115, this one angle, plus 140 equal to 180, or we can say that 180 minus 140 minus 15 equal to here 180 minus 155, this is 5, equal to 60 and 25 degree. Finished. Then C number question. This is similar to previous type of question. Yes, whatever how many angles are here does not matter. We have to just know that this total sum is 180. So here we have 88, one angle, this come here, and this 3x plus 3x plus this x equal to 180. Then we can say that 4x equal to 180 minus 88, which is equal to, here let's do that subtraction. Here 10, one coming, means one coming, 10, 2 remaining, then it's according to 7, so that 17 minus 8, 9, 92, or x equals 92 by 4, means 23. So angle x is 23, and this is 3 into 23, means 69 degree. Thank you.